Hello and welcome, it's Dave from M0OGY Radio and Antenna Reviews. Welcome to the part 2 review of the Stryker SR-955HP 10 meter transceiver. We're off to try it on both RX and TX on the 10 meter band. We're off to use it RX only on the 11 meter band, see what it sounds like receiving fairly strong signals there this afternoon, and we'll see how we get on. Certainly pulling in the signals this afternoon, so we'll have a listen round.
Okay, Oscar, Alpha 2, Mexico, sorry, good evening, 5-7, my name is Ivan, India Victor Alpha November, QSL.
Roger, Ivan, thank you very much. This is Hollanda, America, Hotel America, India, Hotel America 2, Mexico. You are 5 and 9, 59, 24, 6, 800, Italy, 2 years of carico. The 7 free and 7 IC in Sardinia. Italy, Sugar 0, Delta Charlie Radio, Harry over 2, Mary, bye-bye.
Yes, okay, Hotel Alpha 2, Mexico, very okay for your call. Yes, I have correct Hotel, not Oscar. Hotel Alpha 2, Mexico. Okay, now it's correct. Thank you, many DX, and I hope to meet you again. 73.
Mexico 0 Oscar Golf Yankee.
Italia Tango 9, ecco il Whisky Romeo. Non è che per caso Gianni sei qua sotto al mio balcone? Perché adesso si apre la finestra e ti trovo sotto qua, non sarà mica così, carissimo Gianni.
Non sono portati lei S0, ok, buonasera.
Sei oltre 9, non lo so tanto, sei oltre 20 dB, oltre 9, questo è
Il segnale, la modulazione è tutto. Il mio nome è Gianni, ripeto, Italia Tango 9 con Whisky Radio qui in provincia di Siracusa. A te Ivano, cambio.
Sì, questo è, sei 10 dB oltre 9 al momento Gianni, questo è.
Ok, la propagazione è buona, infatti ho lavorato anche in 12 metri San Marino che non lo avevo contattato e insomma.
Golf Yankee, good evening, you are 5-5, my name is Ivan, India Victor Alpha November, QSL.
QSL Ivan, Italy Sugar 0 Delta Charlie Radio. This is Mexico 0 Oscar Golf Yankee. My name is Dave, like Denmark, America, Victoria Echo, QSL.
Yes, questo è David, very thanks for the contact, and your senior is 5-5 in this time, a very good radio. Thank you David, I confirm your LOTW, very thanks, and 73 from IS0 DCR.
Italy Sugar 0 DCR, this is M0 OGY, thank you. You're 5 and 8, 5 and 9 here in the United Kingdom. 7-3 and good DX. 7-3, bye bye.
Thank you, 73 to good DX2. This is Italy Sugar 0 Delta Charlie Radio, course 10. Station Delta India Mobile again. Yes, Echo View, Golf 7, Delta India Echo, mobile station, Stefan, I think is your pronounce, I don't know. In mobile, your signal is 5657. My name is Ivan, India Victor Alpha November, QSL.
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 9. You're 5 and 9 also. Could you just give me your call, please, over?
Yeah, 0 Sugar Yankee, the full call is Tango 7 Charlie, Texas, 773 Canada, Tango 77 Charlie, yourself?
Yeah, Tango 77 Charlie. This is Mike 0 Oscar Golf Yankee. Good afternoon from a very rainy North Lincolnshire in the UK. Nice to work you. My name is Dave, over.
Okay, Dave, fine. Dan, the hill of the Stony, POLY, going down to, I'm sorry for your weather there. And, yeah, the sunshine here around 12 25 degrees at the moment. Very good day, lovely day. Thanks for now, and hope to see you in the future today. And 0 Ocean Golf Yankee, Tango 77 Charlie now clear. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Tango 77 Charlie. This is Mike 0 Oscar Golf Yankee. Okay, thank you for the coming back to my call before you went there. Best 7-3 from M0OGY. Bye bye.
Salam, see you later.
Always a good bit of ice, keep calm and drink coffee. Certainly works for me. Right, we're back at the Stryker. Just showing you it in the VFO mode. This is where you need it if you're operating on sideband, be it on 10 metres or indeed 11. So we'll have a listen around the bands. I think it's quieting up now a little and see what there is. The last station I worked was a very good one. I've only worked that country, well, that's the second time in over 10 years. That was Tango 77 Charlie. For those who aren't familiar with that call sign, that's San Marino. So there's not too many radio amateurs or radio operators in San Marino, so I was quite proud of that one. Struggling to hear it a little through the rain on the top of the shack roof, but we'll see if there's any more on this afternoon.
This is Yankee Oscar 3 Alpha India Sugar calling with you.
Since using this radio, I've tried it on both the stock microphone, which is the basic looking DM350 type, and the noise cancelling microphone that's an option. Now the noise canceller obviously helps no end when the radio's mobile, but for base station use, the stock microphone got a far bigger thumbs up, so that's a microphone to use really. If your base station got really good audio, good clarity, and it's very punchy, so maybe that's a surprise to you, but I'll just tell it how it is. On a clear band, I've just made sure no one's about. I'll just show you power test. It turned up quite high, this one, from receiving it on FM. About 90 odd watts. Remember, this is on 10 metres. M0OGY doing test. Audio 1 2. That's AM. This is upper sideband. M0OGY doing test. 1 2 audio. That was upper sideband, this is lower sideband. M0OGY doing test, audio, 1 2. So that's the test. It seems to put out more power a little lower down into a dummy load. I am using the Daiwa meter. We're running the SEM Z match, so obviously it's not quite as good as in a dedicated resonant antenna. It's running up into the Vortex Quasar 6.4 vertical for these tests this afternoon. As many of these radios will be used on 11 metres, it's only fair to show it receiving on here. We do have an issue locally with a PLT device which luckily is notched on the amateur radio bands, but as it's not legal requirement, unfortunately it kicks out a lot of noise. On the 11 meters some radios are worse than others, but it certainly doesn't disappear. So if you hear any pulse noises, that for definite is from that device, which is a few hundred yards away from my home. High cut filter on and off. So it's moving up and down the bands, goes from band 1 to 10.
Italia 5, Bravo Zulu. Italia 5, bravo. Italia 5, Bravo Zulu. Italia 5, batteria Zelanda. Ripetere, Italia 5, avanti. Italia.
Right, so that concludes the second part of the review for the Stryker SR-955HP. We've shown it in use on 10 meters, shown it on 11 meter RX. Certainly seems to work well. The only one or two points I must mention, the FM deviation was turned down quite low, so we had to turn that up, but that's no big deal. It shows for base station use that the stock microphone is the better bet, which is a good thing as it comes supplied with it, and it's had some very good reports on all modes. Audio certainly seems to receive very well. I do like the build quality, seems very good. It's quite shielded inside, as I showed on the previous video. So all in all, certainly seems to stack up well to the competition. There is quite a number of operators using this in the UK at the moment. Many are used on 11 meters, and a lot of operators rate them on there. So yeah, okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've got a good number more to bring you very shortly, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching this one. Best 73 from Dave, M0 OGY, North Lincolnshire in the United Kingdom. Bye bye.